to show you the next step that I do on the headbands. So I've trimmed the edge, as you can see. I've trimmed all the edges, and then the corner kind of gone on a slant. So yeah, sewn all the way down. Ooh, and then have a little gap at the top, and then turn it inside out. Big scissors, but you could get like a, I don't know, just something pointy, even a chopstick, or just, I don't know, improvise. And I put the scissors all the way down, and then you kind of just push it into the corners, so then you get like a really nice, point then. And then you do it on the end piece as well. Right, now we're going to iron it. Ta-da! Right, next I'm going to show you how to put the wire in. Right, so I use this aluminium 1mm thick wire, and then these pliers as well, and you basically get the end and curl the end round. Yeah. 3 or 4 kind of curls there, you see. So this will be one end of the headband here, so then this will go through the hole like so. Trixie's going to get in the camera. Trixie! Sorry. So then you just have to push it all the way down, and then you feel for it. So then you hold that bit of wire at the end, and then kind of smoothly move all the wire so it's flat and straight all the way to the end. And then I usually leave about an inch maybe at the top, and then clip that, curl that again like before, down, so that again, then just check, make sure that one's at the end again, all the way to the top, hold it tight so it doesn't move. You might have to just roll it down, so then you've got enough edge to fold down that little end seam and tuck both bits in. I hope that makes sense. So then you've got like a flat edge like that, and then just try and make it as neat as you can. And then what I would do is get a pin, so pin that together, and then I do like a nice little hand sew all the way, hand stitch, sorry, all the way. Right, this is the best way to show you, I think, how to do it. So I've already done a little bit. You can see they're kind of like quite hidden. So obviously the tighter you pull it, the more it will be invisible. So you go in there, and then up. Sorry, it keeps going out of focus. Then you pull, kind of just flatten it out, make sure it's not kind of puckering up or pulling too tight. Then you go in the other side and up. Like that. So it creates a nice like stitch, but you can't see it. Like that. So then you go all the way to the end, and then finish it off with a little, do a couple of stitches and kind of not knot it, but I'll show you, hang on. Let's get to the end and I'll show you what I mean. So I'd go over that way, then I'd go over again. Oh, my nails look awful, really need a manicure or something. Right, then I'd go under that way, you see that? Under there, and then pull it through, and then I'd go back through there again, so kind of like a knot, and then I'd go through there, up through that bit, and then I'd cut it, so then you kind of can't really see